Yeah, so as far as I can tell, this ATSC Hdtv card, something's gone wrong with it. I mean, it's really too bad. It's a sort of a nice card. I've had a lot of these cards, and some of them seem to have better reception than others. I thought this one was pretty good. This was some sort of AverMedia G2 combo, I think. So when I started with these cards, I started with an Diamond ATI 600 theater card, and it was okay. Sometimes it didn't work, and later on I got a backup, another card I got off the internet, and then I started using a PCIe card because my computer didn't have a slot. So So what you can do is, what I've done here is I made a partition for an older version of Windows and also my Linux here. So you can go into this older version. Linux will see the Windows. It's kind of like a big storage drive, but you can go into the stupid, horrible old Windows to use this this old card, and the software actually works properly. So although it comes with its own software, what I really like is this NPVR here, and it seems to use the sort of standard Windows framework for these devices. Yeah, so this card does a pretty awesome job. And over the years, the best solution I found is this kind of antenna here. And it seems that the best place in this building here is by this thing, because it's away from my metal windows, and it's like, I guess, brick on the other side of that. But I get like terrible reception here. Like in the days before digital, it's like I could not get one single channel in a good way, and and I get stuff like this out of this digital TV. I mean, it's not bad at all. But what I found was that I had like a 100 Mbit router, and I was getting these like stutters in the video because I think what really is it's got too much data for the link. So with this switch cable here, I hooked these two gigabit computers together, and I found that the video is fine. There's no problem with the video. So what I did was I was gonna buy some new hardware, but then I realized that I found this like in the dumpster because like somebody did like a Rogers installation or something and like got rid of their bell, and there's like this Apple something or other here, and it's very difficult to configure this Apple wireless router because you have to use this like Windows utility. Usually these things you can like connect to the internet or through the network in an HTTP manner, but its options are honestly not as good as, say, this one here, which has very thorough, options that are easy for me to, deal with. Very thorough list. It's kind of thuggular, kind of not, but I only really use certain features anyway, so it basically works. And just because I found this in the dumpster, I don't have to like buy anything because it's working properly. So.